guys, this is me, Mmbabao, and I'm doing this video for those people who's using Ryzen 3 and they're trying to reformat their own PC using the Ryzen 3 and up. So what I'm going to do here, what I did here is I used the old model of the computer and the SATA and the power supply, connected it on the hard drive, which is this is the Ryzen 3 and this is the old PC, the DDR3. And the problem here is that you can't install the USB Windows 7 on the Ryzen 3, and I figured something out. So what I did here is I tried to I can't remove this hard drive here because the screw is hidden back there and the screwdriver can't reach it. So what I did is, see that SATA over here and this power supply, which is connected here on the old PC. So every time I just figured this out because maybe it will work, because the problem here is that every time I try to install or use the Windows 7 USB here, when the boot goes to the Windows 7, it disables the mouse and the keyboard, so you can't move anything, you can't do anything. So what I did here is this. So I'm going here on the BIOS, which this is the BIOS of the old PC, the DDR3, and like the old moves, I'm going to use this SanDisk, disable this, and F10. Okay. Okay, and it's starting. I'm gonna pause this or forward this for a while because it's gonna take a long time. Okay, here we go, and it's almost done. It's moving so slow because we're using the old PC. And this is my Ryzen 3. I'm using my Mark and my brother's old computer. It's done. There we go. Yep. Here we go. You see that looks like my mouse. My mouse is working. Install. Setup is starting. We go for the ultimate, temporary, custom, and here we go. And yeah. Okay. I'm using my brother's old PC. Yeah, as you can see there, the SATA and the power supply is still connected to my Ryzen 3 PC. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and hope that this video will help you on your problem. That's it. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.